So today we are going to deal with the numerical part of investment multiplier. In this module we will learn how to calculate the questions of investment multiplier. In the previous section, in the previous video, I have made you to learn about the investment multiplier, and for this I have given you three different formulas. That was K is equal to delta Y divided by delta I, first formula. K is equal to 1 upon 1 minus MPC in terms of MPC, and in terms of MPS, K is equal to 1 upon MPS. Already I have told you in that video also, I have told you that K is directly related with MPC while K is indirectly related with MPS. Whenever the value of MPC will increase, the multiplier will increase, and vice versa. And when the value of MPS will increase, the multiplier will decrease, and vice versa. I have told you that whenever there is an investment made in the economy, it changes the income of the economy many more times whatever the investment is being actually made. So on these three different formulas, with the help of these formulas we are going to solve the numerical part. Suppose in the question, if MPC is given or if MPS is given, it is very easy for us that we can easily calculate the value of multiplier. How can we calculate multiplier? Let us see. Suppose value of MPC is given 0.5. MPC means marginal propensity to consume. It tells us about the tendency of the consumption pattern of the economy with respect to the income, while MPS tells you about the tendency of the saving pattern of the economy with respect to the national income. So suppose MPC is given 0.5. What is the meaning of this 0.5? Means suppose that the national income is denoted by 1. If the national income is denoted by 1, if our total national income is 1, and out of total national income, if 0.5 or 50% of the total income is being consumed, 50% of the total income is being consumed, it means it would be 0.50. In other terms also, we can say that 0.50% is being the value of MPS, means marginal propensity of saving. So by putting the value of this MPC in this in this second formula, we can get multiplier. So K is equal to 1 upon 1 minus 0.5. If you are going to simplify, we will find 1 minus 0.5 means it would be 0.5. Okay, so K is equal to, if you are going to simplify, you will find 2, or in other terms also, if it is written like this 0.50 to just simplify this equation or this fraction, we can simply multiply 100 to just making this whole number. So upon 100 upon 50, it means again it would be 2. So the value of multiplier is 2 in case the MPC is given. Again, if MPS is given, you can also calculate the multiplier. How? K is equal to 1 upon 0.5. The third formula, okay, simply we can get the multiplier. Again, if multiplier is given, how can we calculate the value of MPC? Let us understand. If value of K is given as 4, what would be the value of MPC? How can we calculate MPC? By just putting the value, we can get 4. What is the formula? Formula is K is equal to 1 upon 1 minus MPC. It is the formula which we are going to use. In place of K, we can use 4. So 4 is equal to 1 upon 1 minus MPC. This whole value will go that side. So 1 minus MPC is equal to 1 upon 4. If you are going to simplify, what we will get? We will get 1 minus MPC is equal to 0.25. Again, if this value will come this side and this MPC will go to that side, what we will get? We will get that the value of MPC is 0.75. So in this way, we can easily calculate the equations or the questions regarding the investment multiplier using all these three methods. Thank you.